As a PDR technician for over 24 years, I understand the importance of good tools. Some you can go cheap on, and most you can't. But when it comes to doing motorcycle tanks, the MPDR tank vise pays for itself over and over again. It baffles me that I hear some techs complain about the cost of tools. It's your livelihood, and PDR is your career. Heck, you can buy cheap and buy twice, or this other saying goes, you cry once and buy quality. I'm bringing this up because today I picked up a large Suzuki gas tank, and mounting it was a little odd. Luckily, I had some pieces I put away that I had never used that came with the MPDR tank vise holder. Okay, so if you ever run into this type of tank where it's got these kind of like a horseshoe opening like this, and there's really nothing to mount it from the back, okay? There's just really nothing to do it. You're gonna need this thing. This comes with the tank vise. That's why this thing is so valuable. I don't use it very much, but I'm super glad I had this, and when I needed it, it saved my butt. This part, once it's mounted inside, this part will go in like that, okay? And if it's a little loose, these unscrew, okay? They go out farther, you can see that. And then once it's in, okay, what this does is this stays across, and then this will mount on top of this. Well, let's just say this is reversed, and I'll show you. This comes in on top, clamps down, and then you put the bolt through it, and it tightens it on there. I really didn't need anything else. I didn't have to worry about this rear end right here mounting it. I just put a towel there so I wouldn't scratch it. Other than that, it's all good. This is why that MPDR vise tank stand is very important. And I had it mounted right here, put it on the end, clamped it, bolted it down, and it was all good in the hood. This is why you don't want to do tanks on the bike sometimes, or if they're sent to you, you have no choice but to mount it. But make sure you get something to mount it with, especially like this. This is just phenomenal. Save you a lot of time, a lot of frustration, and some embarrassment if you can't get it and you thought you could.